Could Jupiter, our solar system's giant, ever collide with Earth? Today, we will explore why such an event is incredibly improbable. We will look at planetary orbits, solar system history, and orbital stability. First, gravity is the main force keeping planets in their paths. Each planet travels in its own predictable, unchanging orbit around the Sun. Jupiter's orbit is very far from Earth's, a great distance separates them. Our solar system formed over 4.5 billion years ago. During formation, planets settled into very stable, almost circular paths. This settling process ensured planets do not often cross each other's ways. Think of planets like cars on a racetrack, each in its own dedicated lane. Gravity from other planets creates small pulls, but these are predictable and balanced. These gravitational tugs, called resonances, actually help keep the system orderly. For a collision, something huge would need to drastically alter Jupiter's path. No known large object is currently heading into our solar system to do this. Current scientific models show our planetary orbits are stable for billions of years. Let's visualize stable orbits with Earth and Jupiter circling the Sun far apart. Now, imagine an unlikely scenario where a massive, unseen force suddenly pushes Jupiter closer. You would see Jupiter's path violently swerve towards Earth's orbit, a very rare event. This extreme push would break billions of years of established orbital balance. Reflect on how much energy it would take to shift an entire planet's orbit. Such a powerful disturbance is not observed or predicted by our understanding of space. We've learned that planetary orbits are incredibly stable due to gravity and history. A collision between Jupiter and Earth is astronomically unlikely for billions of years. Our solar system's long-term stability is a truly remarkable and reassuring cosmic dance. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.